Hello guys, okay, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to another projection here. So yes, again we're looking at Aussie. So what is Aussie looking for? Aussie is currently bullish. And yes, what is Aussie looking for? To answer that question, we use context. Okay, so currently Aussie is trading inside month 6. Okay, so it's trading 6 months back. Okay, so this is the month that we're looking at. This is the high of the month and this is the low of the month. Okay, and let's see if I bring in my fib here. Okay, we realize that we are way above the equilibrium of month 6. Okay, I hope you can all see that, right? We are above the equilibrium of month 6. So I ask myself, what is it that we are looking for in month 6 above the equilibrium? And then I realize that we have a bullish candle here. Okay, that wick right there is a bullish candle, and we have this large bearish engulfing candle, okay, which in ICT language is called an order block. Okay, so we have an order block formation around here. Just below that we have a fair value gap. Okay, so we have a bearish engulfing candle with a fair value gap here, and like I said, we need at least 3 to 4 levels of confirmation. Okay, so that's where I bring in my fib, and I realize, oops, okay, fine, the low of the fair value gap aligns perfectly with the 78.6 level here, the 78.6 perfectly with a 78.6 level. Okay, so this for me is what Aussie is actually looking for. Okay, so my question is, let me just pull out my drawing tools here. What do I think is likely to happen? Okay, in my estimations, this is Aussie's move. Okay, a move up here. Okay, get filed in, and then we shoot down. Okay, shoot down, and that right there is where I'm going to be taking profit. Okay, so again, you would ask, if this is where price found support in the past, like I always say, then price should actually be coming to find support around here. Okay, the issue here is that I don't like being involved in slow markets. I don't like slow markets. I like the high impact, very fast moves, just like it happened in month 6 here. This was a very impulsive selling period. Okay, and I'm estimating the same is going to happen around here. Okay, so this is going to be my entry. Okay, now why do I come and take profit early here? Okay, well, let's look at that. Okay, we have a couple of formations here. Let me just clear all of this. Just sorry about that. Let me clear this all. Okay, so we have a couple of formations here. Okay, you notice that we also have a fair value gap here. Okay, we have this formation, we have an order block. Okay, and then we have a swing low here, right? And we know that liquidity always rests below swing lows or relatively equal lows. Okay, or equal lows. So what as price approaches this fair value gap here, just like it's going to be approaching somewhere here, price is going to slow down and shoot a very strong wick up there, but then come back down. Okay, that is where I will be getting in. Now, as price begins to slow down, this is the formation I'm looking for. Why would I take profit early? I have a fair value gap here. Okay, sorry, I have an order block there, I have a fair value gap around here, and I also have a swing low. I have a swing low just right there. Okay, so as price begins to slow down on its bearish movement here, I'm going to take profit as early as possible. Okay, so whether it fills the gap or just touches and reverses or something of that sort, as price drops to the areas of around 0.65, 650 around here, I should already be out of the market. Profits booked, out of the market. Okay, let me just go through that one more time. Okay, this is where we're entering. Okay, right there, because we have a fair value gap, bearish engulfing candle, and perfectly aligning with a 78.6 fib level. Okay, 3 levels of confirmation is good for me, and then I find this is my area of support. Okay, this is where that month formed support. Okay, So this is where I should also expect the strongest level of support. Okay, so before price slows down to this point here, because you look at this, these were barely wicks touching this area here. So before price gets this slow, I'm going to look for what magnet is actually pulling price down here, and this is where I find it. I find my order block, I find my fair value gap, and I find my swing low, and yes, I get the nonsense out of the markets. Okay, so yeah, that's my projection for Aussie, and yeah, if you think these videos are helpful, then yes, do consider supporting this channel. Just subscribe and like the videos, share these videos with other newbies that are new to technical analysis, and yeah, I'm always join my free Telegram channel where I share some of these trade ideas absolutely free of charge. Yeah, happy trading to you guys. This is King saying adios. Peace out.